This is America in Space, a weekly news and information program on current events dealing with the space industry.
Welcome, and thanks for joining me today. I'm Dawn Meyer, Space Coast News Editor. Approximately 8 hours after launch from Kennedy Space Center in April of 2021, Sarah Giles, lead space operations engineer at SpaceX, interrupted the crew as they were preparing for bed. She told them of the possible conjunction, which is the term for collision, that the capsule had with space debris. So instead of going to sleep, the crew 2 astronauts, NASA astronaut Shane Kimbrough and Megan MacArthur, along with the Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency astronaut Aki Ashide and the European Space Agency astronaut Thomas Pesquet, had to put on their spacesuits, strap themselves back into their seats, and put down their protective visors. The crew was even told to turn on their spacesuit fans, presumably in the event of cabin depressurization.
Dragon SpaceX for possible conjunction.
Yes, Sarah, go ahead.
For awareness, we have identified a late-breaking possible conjunction with a fairly close miss distance to Dragon. As such, we do need you to immediately proceed with suit donning and securing yourselves in seats. We will be erring on the side of caution to get you guys into a better configuration. The time of closest approach for this event is at 17:43.
Copy, Sarah. You want us in the suit for a possible close call of Okay, we're getting in the suit and we copy all.
Copy, Thomas. Additionally, we will be bringing cameras back on board for awareness.
You just heard a call from the Corps to the crew aboard Crew Dragon. They were in their pre-sleep period getting ready for bed, but they've asked them to don their suits or put on those suits in preparation for a possible maneuver to avoid conjunction, meaning that there may be something that could come in contact with the Crew Dragon. Of course, they are going to monitor that and, if need be, take any action, but they expect the closest approach from that object would be at 17:43 GMT, so 10:43 a.m. Pacific time. So we'll be standing by and monitoring that as it approaches, but currently the crew is getting back in their suits. They, as mentioned, want to err on the side of caution, and as they continue to monitor that possible conjunction.
Once the predicted collision time had passed, Giles told the crew that they could return to normal.
Dragon SpaceX, for awareness, we believe the object is farther away than anticipated, lower risk of possible conjunction, but please ensure visors are closed and zippers are closed prior to TCA in approximately 20 seconds.
And Sarah, we copy the object is farther than predicted, and you want us zippers closed and visors down at this time.
Good read back, Megan. We have passed TCA with no impact.
Sarah, I think you said that we've passed the object. Is that correct?
Affirm, Megan. And at this time, we can go to proceed to deconfigure from suited configuration.
Even though the exercise was done out of what they called an abundance of caution, it sadly emphasizes an ever-growing problem. There's just way too much crap in low Earth orbit. There were 3 times in 2020 that the International Space Station crew had to be relocated due to space debris. It's almost become a normal occurrence. In fact, there's even a conference on space junk. 2021 marks the 8th annual European Conference on Space Debris. They state that it is to improve our understanding of space debris environment, assess related risks, mitigate its growth, and control its stability. Collaboration of and information sharing between a multitude of technical disciplines is key. The conference aims to contribute to this goal by gathering recognized experts in their fields. So it sounds like it may be time to do more space cleanup to ensure the safety of future missions. From Florida Space Coast, this is Dawn Meyer for About Space Today.
Thanks for listening. Be sure to share our program with your family and friends and follow us on Facebook. Join us each week for news and information on America in Space.